What is going on, YouTube? Today we're going to be playing around with some Plasti dip. I have got my 2006 Ford F-150 all prepped up, ready to go. Don't get me wrong, I know that this is an absolutely awful job of masking off the areas. This is 100% just the product of I got bored and it was already late at night and I had some Plasti dip laying around and some cardboard and a couple paper towels. So we're gonna spray this thing down and we're gonna see if we can't cover up these chrome bumpers. Let's get going. All right, we've got the first coat on there. Can says to give it half an hour minimum to dry, so we're gonna do that. Check back in with you on the second coat. In addition to the Plasti dip that I bought, I also bought the Plasti dip glossifier. So I'm gonna be applying that after probably the fourth or fifth coat, depends on how dark the appearance is, but I'll be applying this at the end too. All right, the first few coats are on. Yes, I am trying out for title of most ghetto paint job ever. I'm actually considering doing a blackout along these edges as well, getting rid of this silver two-tone I've got. We'll walk over here to the back. If I was gonna do that blackout down here, I'd obviously do this section of the truck too. I'm not gonna lie, this is looking really nice. Yes, those are paper towels, but hey, like I said, I was bored and I had some Plasti dip and some paper towels laying around. But I think it's looking solid so far. I think it's gonna look great. I'm really excited to see how this turns out. The worst part about this process is actually waiting the full 30 minutes in between coats, which I am doing for each one, the front and the back. I have seen a lot of people on YouTube, maybe they are doing it, they're just not mentioning it, but it sure doesn't seem like they're waiting the full half hour in between coats. But I mean, that's what the bottle says to do, so that's what I'm gonna do. If you've done this before and you didn't wait the whole half hour, did it work? Did it not work? Just go ahead and leave that below. Let me know. All right, guys, it's time for the fourth and final coat. So we're gonna be super liberal. We're gonna be very generous. We are going to absolutely spray the crap out of the bumper. We're gonna let it sit overnight and we will check out the after pictures in the morning. All right, we are here the next morning, checking out how it turned out. I think it looks pretty darn good. Sit back, let's walk up and check out the front. Here's the front. It's actually got a much smoother texture to it than I thought it would. But as I said, I think it looks pretty darn good. Very happy with the results and the way it turned out.